How to share screen on Instagram video call. So if you want to share your screen on your Instagram video call, then first open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go for the messages, which is on the upper right. And now you can simply choose a person that you would like to call or that you would like to share the screen. So here you can simply go for the video call, which is on the upper right. Tap on the video call and start the video. And once you're here on the video call, on the bottom of your screen, you will have share screen option. Tap on the bottom middle, and then here you will have watch together videos. You can watch it together, or you can go for the bottom right, which has screen share option. So if you want to share your screen, you can simply go for the bottom right and then share your screen, and that's it. So that's it. That's how you can share your screen on your Instagram video call. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.